cameras all set up?
Oh dear God, what have you done?
We got a package today.
Oh dear God, what have you done?
You want to turn off the AC real quick?
I did.
Oh,
You know it.
takes it a minute. Okay, I didn't see you. Oh, it's recording. I'm like, why isn't there a red dot?
Oh. Oh God, I feel human. I've had a shower. The problem with good sound is that it can also hear everything.
Which means.
So we have to wait for the magical AC unit to turn off.
Which
Otherwise,
is bad.
we still have crappy sound.
Is I have a fever.
You know, not everyone lives in a fancy house. Some of us lives in a trailer. There's no such thing as a quiet AC system in the trailer. Oh man, I feel much better.
Okay, it can turn off anytime. We can test that later. I don't feel like testing.
Testing.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Are you sure you turned it off?
Testies, I have 3.
I hope not.
I turned it off. Maybe it said, wait a minute, it's too hot in here. I know you don't want me to be off. The longer it runs, the more I wonder. I know I turned it off. It said off. OFF.
I know, but we're still running.
It's probably still going to go through a phase before it actually cuts. That would explain it. Yes, you cut the fan on instead of the AC on.
It's been a long time since I've had to touch it.
Well, if you would like to get some practice touching it, let me know. I would be more than happy to show you how. Oh, how many minutes of video do we have already? We haven't even started.
Okay, it's gone down 0.4 degrees.
Unlike the temperature in the house.
Correct. No wonder. I'm like, why am I not getting any cool air at all?
Yeah, AC wasn't actually on.
Yeah, I hit the fan. Oh.
Okay.
Yay! Wait, maybe you should stop it so that way we got fresh. You know what I mean.
Oh, yeah, but then all this stuff we just did won't make it in. Because
No.
I know you.
It will.
You'll start
Some
at this
of it.
one. No, it won't.
Let's see.
What, you don't trust me?
It says on.
What does system show?
Off, but I might have clicked the wrong thing.
You probably turned the fan off.
I turned the fan. I think I turned the fan on earlier and not the AC.
So the fan's been running because you hit the wrong button.
Uh-huh.
So you never cut the AC on, you cut the fan on.
Well, that explains why it's still so freaking hot.
So it's a fake waffle.
Yes, but it's low carb.
Why would I care about low carb?
Because you're fat.
I figured you'd say because I'm diabetic.
I'm just saying.
I mean, you could
You're-
have
wait,
chosen.
wait.
You could have gone friendly and husband nice and said
Wait.
because you're diabetic.
Alright.
And
I'm
we're
sorry.
done.
As you see, thermometer, not feeling the best today.
Like I said, I felt you and you felt pretty good, so I think you're lying.
We'll tell the truth.
Not a false statement. Wait, have you been Googling again?
Googling happened. I trucked myself.
You said the next time we went trucking, you were going to let me truck you for a change. Quit trucking yourself.
Well, first of all, You trucked me with the camera, and now I'm trucking you with kitchen appliances.
Have you ever told them the story of trucking?
I have not. Why don't you tell the story about, while I show this. Wait, what's this? Ooh, ooh.
So long story short, I had a truck that was 13 years old with 200,000 miles, and I had been looking at it, doing all the math and the numbers and this, that, and the other, and put everything together and calculated and thought it through. And one day, all of a sudden, she shows up, and I'm like, "Hey!" And I just started dumping data and facts and numbers and this, that, and the other, and why this would be a good idea. And she's like, "You're trucking me." And the story of the trucking began.
And so ever since then, if one of us researches something for an extended period of time and the other one walks in,
It's trucking.
they're getting a good trucking.